Good morning, guys. It's December 2 and the start of Fema's Jingo vlogs. It's Christmas time. Not yet, but almost. And Fema is sleeping or pretending to sleep because she's not asleep yet. Yeah, so we're addicted to sleeping late. Not addicted, just passionate about sleeping late.
Since we don't have a choice because we're waiting for our vlog to upload.
That's what happens when you're a YouTube vlogger. You're always sleeping late.
No, that's what happened when you don't have a legit
Internet
Wi-Fi.
connection. Yeah, that's true.
'Cause
That's
you
true.
always, like, check.
I'm happy you're pointing with the right finger this time.
Oh yeah, this one.
Because Fema, we were joking about it with I don't know, forgot who. She always uses the middle finger when she's talking. People
I don't know, unconsciously.
People have thought that she flipped me off before when she was really pointing at something. There was a time, it's been a while now, but there was a time when I always massaged Fema before she went to sleep. For those of you that don't know, I ended up relapsing because I quit taking my medicine because I'm diagnosed with a mental illness. I'm fine when I take my medicine, but not when I don't, and I got sick. That wasn't
I'm fine
unfair.
without my medicine.
Yeah, because anxiety is a very easy to treat thing.
And it's a common mental illness, slight mental illness that is so easy to cure.
True.
And you can cure it with natural ways.
True, and the best thing to do, in my opinion, buy the anxiety workbook, or if you need, pirate it online.
It tells you.
It has everything in there.
Yeah.
Everything. The number one thing for, or not the number one, there's so many
But if you have
causes.
worst anxiety, you take the medicine first, and if you don't feel that anymore, start trying to taper your medicine.
But you should ask a doctor or really research online. Don't just do it because it could really mess you up.
I did not visit my doctor because
you're a serious Google researcher like me. Fema is learning the trade. She's learning the trade of being good at researching. I think a lot of millennials or a lot of young people are really good at researching. But me, obviously, I've been online for a long time. I know how to research. I mean, whenever you search, you use a few keywords. You don't use a whole sentence, or else it will get bad results. And you only trust the first top 1 to 3 results. And also check the domain. If it's like a silly blogspot domain, don't trust it. But if it's a really good domain, then it's okay. And Fema's skin is getting better. Before it was kind of like a pizza, but now it's like it's like a windshield. See?
Don't say that.
That's actually one of my friends, Alvaro. He's probably not watching this because he doesn't have Facebook, but this was in high school, and he called it like a pizza face or something, which actually can be treated as different ways.
Which is true because I like pizza.
Yeah, but everybody has different skin, and if you want to know about that other stuff, there's some other gurus and so many things. Someday, I joke about this with Fem, but I'm really telling the truth at the same time.
Someday.
They're gonna have Google skin, right? You just roll a
Google lotion.
Google lotion, yeah. You just roll it over your skin, and
we're
it's
gonna
perfect.
live in Google City.
They're actually gonna make one.
And driving a Google car.
The name of that company of Google is Sidewalk
in a Google
Labs.
house, where everything is all Google. Hi guys, happy December 2. This is our second jingle vlog. I'm watching my latest vlog na in-upload ko ngayon. So, we're gonna vlog, wait lang, i-post ko muna to. So, we're gonna vlog straight until December 25. Yun yung theme namin, jingle vlog, kasi may vlogmas na eh. Gumawa na lang ako ng sarili kong theme sa Christmas vlog ko. So, ayan. Kakain muna ako ng breakfast. Mamaya mga 12, mag-nap ako. Matulog ako ulit. Tapos, gigising ako mamaya, hopefully 12. Kasi, may plano akong lalakarin after transferring funds from the BPI. And sana, masuccessful ko yung mga plano ko ngayon na day. Sana, hindi ako antukin. Kaya, kakain muna ako. Yung ulam namin is, what is this? It's like noodles, pero inspired siya ng ramen. Tas, hindi kami nakapagluto ng rice. So, ito na lang rice na kakainin ko from Jollibee. Tas, may daing ako. So, lusog-lusog na. Tara! Magmamadali ako. Hindi ako maliligo. 2 araw na ako walang ligo. Yun, mesa namin ang kalat. Mag-CR muna ako, guys. Tagal ni Chris. Pupunta kami ng bangko ngayon. Mga alas 3 na. Maglalakad pa kami. Chris, bilisan mo! Hi guys, nandito naman kami sa market. Kakain muna kami. Galing kami sa bangko. Nag-transfer kami ng funds. Ito, ang daming tindahan guys. May Payless, may pen shop. Dito maybe we have to eat. May National Bookstore dito. Maybe we can find the na Ronda Burn.
Let's check.
Let's check. So happy guys, nakita na namin yung books. Saan sa my psychology daw. Yung Stillness Speaks, tsaka yung Ronda Burn na Hero and Magic. The Magic of Thinking Big. Hero in you. Hi there. In psychology area, something.
In psychology?
Yeah.
Oh, they're not going to help us? I'm really bad at this sometimes.
Psychology area. Saan ba yung psychology area?
Over here. Over there. Psychology.
Ayan. Baka maubos pa. My dear, look for Stillness Speaks and I'm gonna look for Ronda
Okay,
Burn.
hold on. I'm going on this side.
My dear, remember you reading this?
Oh no, I've read the 50 psychology class.
Okay,
We have
that's
to
spiritual. The classic.
Psychology one.
There's also self-help.
Do the psychology one from Arian.
It didn't have psychology one. Ronda Burn. Na-excite talaga ako, guys. Oh! Ayan, guys. Hero.
But the one you don't get is the power. I read that one a second.
Where's the, the magic?
Oh no, wait.
No, they have the
wait.
magic.
Oh wow, that's really nice. Hold on, I only get a couple copies of that.
No, but it's,
Hey, it's affordable too.
how much?
600.
It's affordable too with 600.
Yeah, no, but it's really good.
Just two.
Okay, who are we gonna buy the other one for?
We don't have budget today. We're budgeting.
No, but if we get two, I want to get two because
Mine.
this is the best cook. You can have the same one as me.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay, here, hold on.
Hero. And the still space.
Yeah, let's see that one.
Ikartuli.
Oh, I think
Ikartuli.
it's arranged by author, so it'll be okay.
Yes, Kai. Sabihin namin. My dear.
The first one I tried when I was 16, I'm 31 now. The Magic of Thinking Big, same concept, but this one.
Ikartuli, my love. Guys, sold out na yung Stillness Speaks. Meron naman dun sa ano nila. Ang meron lang is The Power of Now. Meron kaming book nito na original, dalawa. Pero, ewan kung saan nilagay ni Chris. Pero ito, The Secret Hero. Yung isa, Daily Teachings. Yung isa naman, The Magic.
On YouTube, it was originally a documentary.
Ayan guys, nakabili na kami ng book. So ngayon, pupunta kami sa taas. Kakain kami. Chris, kasi gutom na kami. And I think sa second floor yung restaurant nila. Galing kami doon sa baba. Tapos ito yung second floor. Ayan. I like it here kasi ang daming tindahan. Ayun. Tingin sa baba. Oh. See, ang daming mga tindahan. Daming mga booth. Nabibili ako mga tao dito kasi kahit mag-vlogging ako, parang wala na sa kanila. So, ayan. Vlogging. Happy ang si Chris ngayon.
Yeah, I'm happy. I don't know if it's because I blogged it or what, but I got my first offer for a domain name. And since it's the first one I'm going to sell, if they buy, I offered a little bit lower price than what I would normally do.
Yeah. Guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga items. Oh, ayan. And look what I discovered, guys. Japan Home Center.
I'm ready to discover some food. Can we? Is that okay?
Yeah, may mga murang palamuti dyan, mga buting-ting. Ayan, ang ganda. Babalik ako dyan. Eh siya pala guys, doon sa hindi taga dito. May Daiso din dito sa second floor ata. Second floor, oo. Ito yung hardware nila. Ang ganda. At ayan o. May live band dun sa baba. Uy, may mga furniture pa dito. Ito yung mga yung mga furniture. Gusto ko mag-shopping. Wow! Ayan o. Gusto ko yan. Mahal. Mahal, guys.
Where did you eat? My neighbor, where's the food?
I don't know.
It's sitting here. Here too.
We're looking for food, guys. I think the food area is downstairs.
We came upstairs, right?
Pero I like it kasi umiikot kami. So nakikita ko yung view ng market. May CDR King doon.
It's so loud here. I
Yeah.
think I'm louder though, right? Need to shave.
Papakita ko yung view, ha? Ayan, guys. Ganda, no? Saya-saya. Another na-discover ko na store is American Bazaar.
66 cents.
66 cents?
Or
Wow.
66 pesos.
66 pesos pala.
Don't add 60 centavos there.
Pajuju. Ayan. Also available great value items for only 88. Wow. Mauubusan tayo ng pera dito, guys. So, dito tayo iikot, guys. May Watsons dito. May Kinney Rogers. Tapat ng beside Kinney Rogers is Daiso Japan. Nakapunta na ako dyan. bumili ako ng mga ibang gamit. Pero pupunta pa ako ulit dyan. Pero I think I'm gonna go to Japan Appliance, and then Wendy's, Sbarro, and supermarket. Ayan, yan yung Daiso, Japan nila.
Wendy's, that's a really good place.
Really?
But maybe I shouldn't eat burgers.
And if gusto niyo magpadala ng pera, may kwarta padala dyan. May Western Union doon. Because may bayad center dyan. There's another BPI ATM machine. Ganda dito. Wow! Hala!
Wow, that's kind of cool.
This is BGC. Dito kami sa Manhattan. Kakain kami ng early dinner namin. Parang lunch din kasi hindi kami nag-lunch kanina kasi natulog kami. And nagising kami mga 3 p.m. na. Kaya ayan. So, ipili muna ako ng pagkain tapos papakita ko sa inyo ha. This restaurant guys is very affordable. Kaya kung gusto nyo kumain, parang dim sum style siya. Dito kayo pumunta kasi mura lang yung pagkain nila. Yung spirits na sweet and sour spirits, which for one is 240. Sa ibang restaurant, mahal na yan. Mga nasa 400 or 500. Yung ano nila, yung mga dessert nila, mura lang din. So, good. Manhattan. M-A-N-N-H-A-N-N. And guys, sa likod dito, dyan, Bonifacio Global City na. So, parang kung gusto mo pumasyal sa BGC, dyan ka lang lalabas, lakarin mo lang, BGC na. So, ito yung in-order namin guys, chicken corn soup, tsaka itong spare ribs, dalawa, first, at tsaka sa akin. And then, nag-order ko ng broccoli na may halong onion, tsaka buchi, and what else? Nakalimutan, Seekers Lemonade. Yung shake ko, hindi pa nila na Nag-order din pala ako ng guys, ng buko. Kasi pabalot na ako ng sobra namin. Sobrang pagkain. Kasi Chris, wala pa. Nag-CR pa siya. Chris is back. Nag-number 2 pala siya.
Can you eat?
After this, we're going to go in the second floor kasi may mga dun guys, may mga furniture dun na mura tsaka high quality sila. Punta din ako ng Japan Appliance. Ano ba yun? Japanese Appliance?
Yeah, or surplus.
No, it's not surplus. No, upstairs. In the second floor. Ito na yung sinasabi ko guys. May mga furniture na
Yeah.
Dito,
I remember this.
this one, 2,000 plus lang. Laminated lang siya. Hindi siya real wood. Pero kung gusto niyo ng real wood, meron din sila. Mataas tayo. I like this, my dear, for book stand. Magkano to? 3,500? Real wood siya.
Really nice furniture.
Wow, ang lamig. Ito din guys, 2,000. 3,000 na. 4,000 to. Teka, mamaya muna ako mag-vlog. Muna ako. Hi! Ito. Mag-shopping muna ako guys. So, ito yung guys, area kung saan nyo mabibili nyo ang mga furnitures na gusto ninyo. Malaki siya until doon. Tapos dito. Ito yung mirror na gusto ko. Pansin talaga. Hindi, ito. 2,500 lang. Pero may siya. May drawer siya sa baba. Ito yung gusto ko. Tingin muna ako bago ako mag-desisyon. Parang double deck siya. Pero sa baba, may parang dining
That would be good
area.
for bamboo seat, right?
Oo.
That looks so nice. Because it's a feng shui, the air, or whatever you call it. The book you read, right?
Dito sa area to, bed. Tapos dito
It's
may
more
table,
spacious.
kainan. Tama.
Maybe take a picture of that. Yeah. or film or whatever you have to do. So we almost bought so much furniture, but after maybe an hour of deliberating or whatever you call it, we bought nothing.
We bought nothing. Kasi ang hirap, ang hirap talaga mag-decide, guys. Madaming magaganda. Tapos, yung delivery lang yung problema kasi nakaschedule. Wait, my dear. Can I go there? Yung schedule nila for delivery is it's on December 10. Uuwi kami sa Davao, December 10. Andito kami sa Japanese furniture, guys. May kayo? May drawers?
Drawers?
Oh.
Wala mo, malilit lang po.
Yung ganyan kahaba.
Ay, wala pong ma'am.
Wala. Ay, wala. Hi guys, andito na kami sa condo. Naubusan ako ng space kanina sa SD card ko. Kaya naputo yung vlogging ko kanina sa market. Sayang nga Hindi ako nakadala ng SD card kasi parang naiwan ko yung mga SD cards ko sa Davao. Bumili ako ng gamit sa CR tulad ng tsinelas. Kasi kailangan namin ito. Tsaka yung RAM. Tapos bumili ako ng snacks, guys, sa Japan Home. Yeah, sa Japan Home Center. Parang sister company siya ng Daiso. Ayan. So, maghanap muna kami, guys. Tapos, gigising mamaya si Chris mga 20 minutes. Tapos ako gigising din para mag-yoga. So, ito yung kalat namin, guys. Titiklupin ko pa to. What? No. I bought... no, not me. Chris got me whey protein. Kasi yung malaking whey protein ko andun sa Davao. So, ito, para dito lang to. Tas, nabili ko na finally yung mga books, guys. I'm so happy talaga. Hindi ko pa nabasa yung daily teachings ko, pero ang mahal pala nito.
I haven't read that book.
809.
So I don't know if it's good yet, but I think it is.
Hero. There's a hero. Ito naman yung magic.
If you want to change your life, that's the perfect one.
Ganda. One word changes everything. Ganda. Ngayon, plano kong bilhin is, book stand. Yung maliit lang kasi wala naman ako madaming, books. Tapos, yung mga hilig ko kasi yung books, hindi ako mahilig sa mga Harry Potter na books, mga mythical na books, hindi ako mahilig sa mga ganun. Mahilig ako sa mga inspirational books, tapos horror books.
Okay guys, so I just got done working out. I was working out by walking through the mall with Fema. These malls in Manila, they're not a joke. They're really big. And I don't know how Fema gets all that energy. I had to go to sleep for a while. I was tired. I think I burned off all the dinner. But anyways, one thing I want to show just really fast. I missed this in the last vlog. These are the single keywords that I own. Again, the XYZ evaluation is on the left and the .com evaluation is on the right. Or SCBot evaluation, if you want to call it that. Again, the portfolio as a whole, just based on sales and links and things like that, it's valued at $29,000. No one really pays attention to that because it's not really selling at that much because there's no liquidity. But in order to renew this, it's only $980 a year. And if it was in .com, believe it or not, it'll be worth about $5 million. Even $2 million would be a lot of money. But I'm holding on to these domains. Yeah, that's my Reckitt.
Ito yung mga nabili ko mga snacks sa Japan Home Center, guys. KitKat na strawberry na may pagka-minty yung flavor niya. Tsaka ito, hindi pa namin na-try ni Chris. And then ito, na-try ko na to. Pero hindi pa na-try ni Chris. Choco pie na may parang marshmallow sa gitna. Tapos ito na, guys. Nagamit ko na yung bumili ako ng ganito sa Japan Home. Social ng sleeper namin. Parang Crocs. Crocodile yung mukha niya. Hi guys! May magpapa-shoutout na naman. And I wanna say hi to Sis Mary Ann. Ano ba yung apelido mo, Sis? Sis Mary Ann from... Why are you laughing?
That's a good shoutout.
Sis Mary Ann from New York. She has her own channel. It's maryann.a. Visit her channel, guys. She's so funny. I like her vlogs. Basta, I like her vlogs so much. And also to It's Me, Vanessa Ann. Hi, sis. From saan ka, sis? Hi, sis Vanessa. Thank you for watching our vlogs and welcome to our channel. Welcome to my channel pala kasi I'm I'm watching another YouTuber, guys. I'm experiencing panic attack. Na-experience ko na yan.
Don't worry, I'm gonna clean here very soon.
Ang dami na pala namin mga ganyan. May mga YouTuber talaga na kapareho ko ng sakit. Anxiety, tsaka panic attack. Nung last na panic attack ko, I was driving. Kasi yung panic attack, hindi mo malalaman kung kailan aatake. So, I was driving with Tata at that time. We're almost na sa bahay. Pero, sabi ko kay Tata, blur na yung paningin ko, tas yung heartbeat ko was beating so fast. Sabi ko, I can't breathe. And sabi ko kay Tata, kailangan kong huminto. And sakto naman na nung huminto kami sa may gilid, doon ako nakahinto sa parang car wash. Hindi ko na naisip na lahat plus lang mga lalaki. Sabi ko, tulungan niyo ako. I feel like I'm dying. Sabi ko lang ganyan kasi I really felt like I was dying at that time. Nagka-bruises nga ako kasi sabi nila sa Bisaya, gikabuhi daw ako. Ewan ko anong term sa Tagalog niyan. So, may isa pang naringgan ko pa na oy, magpait kayo ng tubig, may gikabuhi dito. And then, muntik pa kami na-discuss guys, kasi hindi ako makadrive. So, yung taxi driver yung magdadrive sana. Eh, hindi siya marunong mag-drive ng automatic. Kasi nasanay siya sa manual. Muntik pa kami na guys. Muntik pa kami na disgrasya. That was my worst panic attack. Yun lang yung na-vlog namin ngayon. And i-upload ko ngayon kasi I am trying my best to vlog straight until December 25. But I'm not gonna promise. I am trying.
Are you really gonna upload a video today?
Yeah.
Oh, you cut off my body.
Ay, sorry.
Don't cut off my body.
Sorry.
I don't have a 6-pack or 20-pack.
One pack. One pack only. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to show some support or love, your love. Heart,
What is this?
my love heart.
You call it jingle bells? What? Jingle?
This is my jingle vlog. Kung may vlog mas la, may jingle vlog kami. That's it. Bye.